How to remove Switch account on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove Switch account on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, removing Switch account on Facebook is very simple. The problem here is quite simple. If you open up Facebook and then let's say you happen to log into many accounts over time, but then now you try to log out over here, maybe you save the information and then there are many accounts on the login page over here, right? And if there are so many accounts, how do you remove those accounts? Well, when you're on the login page, do not select any account to log in. Instead, look for the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the login page here and then tap on it. Then you will see a list of profiles. In my case, I only had one, so I'm seeing this option, but if you have many profiles, you'll find those profiles. When you select a certain profile or the account that you want to remove from the Switch account page, you can just tap on the remove profile option, and when you tap on remove profile, this profile will get successfully removed. And that's all it takes to delete or remove Switch account on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.